Hey guys, Jordan from G-Force. Today I'm going to be showing you one of our suspension components that we offer on our website. These are vertical links for a S550 chassis Mustang, which would be a 2015 to 2023 model year. These are very good at eliminating wheel hop, stiffening up your chassis, and just creating an overall better ride for your performance Mustang. They're made out of 6061 T6 aluminum. They're designed and engineered in the USA and also manufactured in the USA. They have spherical bearings and they come with the appropriate bushings to install in your car. If you want to learn more about these vertical links for your S550 Mustang, check out crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.